Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register in the ICE Founded prop form. You enter the prop form section, select IC Founded, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website and for registration click on Sign Up. In the registration section, you enter a username for your account along with your first name, last name, and email address. You register your country of residence along with the state, mobile phone number, and password. I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and you repeat your password for confirmation in this section. And at the bottom, you confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Sign Up. We enter the Sign-in section. You enter your email address along with your password and click on Sign In. We enter the dashboard of your account. Our account is created. Good luck.